Hey Craftomaniacs! Welcome to another episode of Crafting in the Craftiverse. Today we're making a space case to fit all of this stuff. You don't need much for this one. I'm just using cheap chipboard and our template, which you can access below. You can start by gluing the template down. We also made a step-by-step guide for this one, and you can find that in the description below. Yeah, snacks. Once the glue has dried, we will cut the template out. Flip the template and score all the fold lines so the box will fold easy. Then fold the box. Glue. And then guess what? You have yourselves an awesome little box.
Hello.
I hope you enjoyed that. As always, happy crafting and catch you on the next one.